Picture this: a towering French dessert that looks like it belongs in a royal ballroom, but is actually built from dozens of tiny, golden pastry puffs. This is the legendary croquembouche, a showstopper often served at weddings, where elegance meets edible engineering. The heart of it all is Choux pastry. This magical dough is piped into small rounds, then baked until golden. Inside the oven, something incredible happens. The moisture in the dough turns to steam, causing each puff to expand into a hollow shell, perfect for filling. Once cooled, each cream puff is filled. Traditionally, it is filled with smooth vanilla custard, though whipped cream offers a lighter twist. Either way, every bite delivers a soft, creamy surprise hidden beneath that delicate shell. Now comes the daring part: construction. Hot caramel acts like edible glue, holding each puff in place as they are carefully stacked into a cone-shaped tower. Precision matters here. One wrong move, and your dessert could turn into a delicious landslide. To finish, caramel is drizzled over the entire structure, creating a glossy glaze that catches the light. Then comes the artistry. Spun sugar is wrapped around the tower like golden threads, while fresh fruit or edible flowers add color and elegance. The result is a dessert that is crisp, creamy, and just a little dramatic. A croquembouche is not just something you eat, it is something you experience.